Good morning, everybody. I hope you are doing well. It's quite early here and I'm just getting the day going, and I had a great idea. I thought I'd share with you a short little workout that I use with the Swiss ball and a dumbbell to get a full body workout. Now, let me start by saying, when I'm training myself or I'm training my clients, I like to work in different movement patterns. A movement pattern is a pattern that you and I use throughout the day, every day, whether it's pushing, pulling, squatting, or rotating. And all of this can be achieved so simply and so effectively with just a Swiss ball and a dumbbell. So, I'm going to show you my top 5 Swiss ball exercises to achieve this in a very small amount of space, in a very short amount of time, and with very minimal equipment. So, let's get right into it. Okay, our first exercise up is the one-arm dumbbell press. Make sure you keep your head and neck on the ball comfortably and stiffen your core for balance. Keep those glutes nice and tight and keep the hips upright. This is working in a 90-degree angle, up and down. I like to go all the way so that the back of my arm touches the Swiss ball. Number 2 is pulling. We're doing the one-arm row. Balance by keeping your elbow on the ball and your knee on the ball. This is going to engage your glutes, your legs, and your core. Stiffen that core for balance. I like to think of this as starting the lawnmower. We squat down a lot. Pick up that TV controller, maybe pick up your baby. Get down low and keep those glutes nice and tight. Key here is, this is a great exercise because you can keep your feet out in front of your knees, which makes it very, very safe, and keep your weight on your heels. You'll really feel it in your glutes here, folks. Rotational core twist is next on the ballot. Stiffen that core and get a nice flexible pull in your shoulders. Follow the weight with your eyes. That's going to help with balance. And again, stiffen your glutes, stiffen your core, and feel that rotation all around your spinal core. And here's your bonus core exercise here. This is very similar to the ab wheel, if you've ever seen that. That one's a very challenging one. This one eases it up a little bit. But basically what you're doing is you're working on stiffening the core here and getting a nice stretch in your back, your shoulders, and your triceps. I love this one. Just a great way to start off the day by squeezing the core and working it. I like to do about 20 reps of this, but work your way up. Go, folks. 5 Swiss ball exercises to start your day off, or do it any time of the day. It doesn't really matter. But the thing is, these are effective. They work your movement patterns, which I truly believe is the best way to focus on maintaining your body, or how Dr. Stephen R. Covey of the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People said, sharpen the saw. You got to maintain your body, folks. You're not getting any younger, and you got to take care of the spinal cord, the core. That is all meant for keeping that spinal cord, keeping your joints nice and strong and flexible. And with the Swiss ball, like I said, you can do it right at home in a minimal amount of time, and you don't have to get too fancy with your training. Do those 5 exercises every other day or 3 times a week, and you will notice the results and feel absolutely great. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends. It's going to help them. And hit that notification button, because I'm going to be uploading a lot more fitness videos. I am a personal trainer. I traveled on the professional tennis tour for many, many years, and I was a professional cyclist. So this is kind of what I do, folks. So if you have any comments or questions, drop them below, and I'll be happy to answer them and maybe give you some content that you're looking for. That's it for now. From the Pisani Training Center, Paulie P from PK's Bike Shop. We'll see you in the next video. See ya.